A very good morning to dear all lovely students. Now, welcome again in English grammar section, class 4. Today we are going to learn from English grammar, chapter 8, gender. Let's see. In English grammar, there are 4 gender. It means there are 4 kinds of genders. First, masculine gender. Second one, feminine gender. Third one, common gender. And last, fourth one, neuter gender. See, one, first masculine gender. Second, feminine gender. Third, common gender. And fourth one, neuter gender. Let's see the definition and examples of these genders. First, masculine gender. See, masculine gender means nouns that name male person or animals. It means noun. The name belongs with the male person or animals. That's we call the masculine gender. Let's see some examples of masculine gender. For example, brother. Second one, gentleman. Third one, lion. And fourth one, peacock. It means all these example of nouns belong with the male person and animals. It's called the masculine gender. Now, second one, feminine gender. Let's see definition. Feminine gender means nouns that name female person or animals. It means the noun belong with the female person or animals or birds also. Okay, that's we call the feminine gender. Let's see some example. First, sister, lady. Next, lioness. And last one, peahen. It means all these examples, sister, lady, lioness, peahen, all these examples belong with the female nouns or animals. It means it all are the feminine genders. Now next, third kind of gender, common gender. Definition. Common gender means nouns that stand for either male or female person. It means commonly we are define that the noun stand for male or female person. It's called the common gender. Let's see some examples. Child. See, in the child noun, there is child, a baby girl or baby boy. Both are including in the child noun. So, child is the common gender. Now, next one, friend. Friend is also belong with the common gender. In friend, there is girl also and boy also. So, both are including in the friend. So, friend is the common gender. Next, doctor. In doctor profession also we know that there is lady doctor or there is gents doctor. So both are including in that gender doctor. So doctor is the common gender. Now next one, parent. See, one more example of common gender is parent. Parent, it means mother and father, both are included in the noun parent. So both they are including in the parent name. So parent is the common gender. Okay. Now fourth kind of gender is neuter gender. The fourth kind of gender is neuter gender. Neuter gender means nouns that name things without life. It means in neuter gender, nouns that include name without life. It means only things name include in the neuter gender. Let's see some examples. For example, school. School is the place. So school related with the neuter gender. Next one, TV. TV also thing that include in the neuter gender. Next, garden. Garden is the place where the children are playing. So garden is related with the neuter gender. And last one, table. Table is also belongs with the neuter gender. So today we are learn about four kinds of gender. First one, masculine gender. Second one, feminine gender. Third one, common gender. And last one, neuter gender. See one more time. Masculine genders denotes a male gender of person, animal or insect. Feminine gender denotes a female gender of person, animal or birds. Common gender, a noun that may be masculine or feminine but not neuter. See, in the common gender, masculine and feminine, it means male and female, both are included in the common gender. And neuter gender, it means denotes a lifeless things. Neuter means neither male nor female. It means include all the things or places which is included in the neuter gender. Okay. Do you understood the kinds of gender? You have to read and understood betterly with the examples. Okay. Let's see in the next session. Thank you.